Today I'll share a free trading robot for the DAX, an index representing 40 of the largest and most liquid German companies that trade on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Finding one was tough. I struggled testing several EAs from the MQL5 marketplace. I reviewed one that made some profits initially, but those trades were followed by losses. So I asked my team to create an expert advisor for the DAX, and guess what? They didn't create just one but many. We used the Express generator, which is the world's fastest strategy generator. We downloaded historical data from a few regulated brokers and validated the EAs using EA Studio. And the final result is a great strategy for the DAX that can be traded as a ready-to-use robot for MetaTrader 4 and 5. And I will share it with you. But we didn't stop there. We've automated the whole process, and now there are 12 EAs for the DAX, and by the end of the video you will see how you can test them for free. And I'm already testing this expert advisor on a live account, and it's the one with the magic ending on 6082. This is a relatively new account that I started about 1 week ago, and already there is some profit in the account. And in this account I am trading 3 expert advisors just to diversify the risk, so I don't put the whole exposure on one EA. And I want to show you the track record of the account. We can notice that it is on a profit, as I showed to you on MetaTrader, but it is just 1 week trading. However, I'll click on stats and I'll click on strategy, and you will see that if I arrange the strategies according to the net profit, the one that brought $30 after 5 trades is the one ending on 6082. And it's just $30 because I'm trading it with the lowest quantity possible of 0.01. And if you look at the account history, you'll see that this is with how much I'm trading all of the expert advisors. And if you decide to trade the EA on a live account, I'll suggest you to go with the lowest risk possible. However, you'll find the link down below in the description from where you can download the expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. But let me show you the strategy behind this expert advisor, and I uploaded it back in EA Studio. That's the strategy builder we use to analyze such expert advisors. And the main condition is accelerator oscillator changes its direction downwards. So whenever we have this change from green to red bars in the indicator, it is a signal to buy. But it has to be confirmed with the other 3 indicators, which show if we are in an uptrend or not. So if I go back to the strategy editor, you will see that we need to see the fast moving average higher than the slow moving average with period of 18 for the fast and period of 22 for the slow. We need to see that the 9 moving average is higher than the 15 moving average, and we want to see that the Williams percent range with period of 19 is rising. So here are the moving averages. They should be in the exact order, and the Williams percent range should be rising. And right in here, once we have these green bars from the accelerator oscillator and they turn into red, we have a long trade. And I'll hold control with left arrow and I will search for another long trade. So right in here, you can see that we have this change of the accelerator oscillator from green to red. The Williams percent range rises, all of the moving averages are in the right order, and we have a long trade that closed with the take profit. Yep, the strategies that are generated always have stop loss and take profit, and you can see them right in here. And there is one more indicator, which is the MACD line crosses the 0 line downward with the inputs of 25, 40 and 9, and when this happens, it is an exit condition. And you can see that this is exactly the case with the latest long trade. So right in here, the MACD line crossed the 0 line downwards and the trade closed. So that's really interesting strategy in my opinion. We have a very steady balance chart and we tested it with the Monte Carlo validation to make sure it is a robust strategy. So 16 out of 20 tests passed the validation. But of course the best test is to trade it on a live account. And I want to show you one more strategy that one of my team members selected. It is in this 100k account, and if I go to stats and if I show the strategy and I arrange the strategies according to the net profit, it is the one over here that brought $2,826 of a profit, and it's ending on a magic number 0088. And if I go to the top 10 robots app, you will see that this strategy is right in here and it's really profitable recently. And I was wondering which one to share with you for free. So I decided to do the following: a free trial for the top 10 robots app for any of the indices. So you can select between the DAX, the FTSE, S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones. So in every category there are different expert advisors. You can see how they performed for the last 5 years, the last 1 year, and you can pick which one you want to trade. However, we already tested a few of the DAX EAs, and I really appreciate it if you share your experience down below in the comments, so we will together find the best strategies and expert advisors among these. The free trial will be active for 1 week, so check out the link down below in the description. And the best thing you can do is to test them with a demo account with a regulated broker such as the Black Bull broker, and they offer 26,000 tradable instruments. So you will find any of the indices. If I click on the indices tab, you'll see that they offer many more and their trading conditions are really good. And I would suggest you to try these expert advisors with a demo account, and if you decide to trade any of them on a live account, you can select between 3 types of accounts. The good thing with Black Bull is that I asked them for myself and my subscribers to give us institutional trading conditions for accounts above 2k. So you don't need $20,000 as minimum deposit, but just 2,000. And if you decide to fund such an account, just let the support know you are my subscriber and they will create for you an institutional account. I'm personally taking advantage of that and the conditions are good. So I'm pretty excited to find more profitable expert advisors for the DAX and some of the other indices. And something very important when you are using the trial, make sure you check out the specifications. So if you go with Black Bull Markets, you don't need to change anything. But if you decide to use another broker and there are 2 digits after the decibel comma, and you make sure you check the contract size, if you see it's different, then you'll need to change the digits and the contract size. This way, once you set up your risk, let's say you are starting with $1,000 account and you want to risk just 1% per trade, or that is stop loss of $10, and you export the expert advisors for MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, they'll be with the corresponding stop loss, take profit, and lot size. However, I'm trying to be very transparent in my results and all of my accounts are public on the website, and you can check this account at any moment. You can click on the track record, then you can go to stats and you can click on strategy, arrange the EAs according to the net profit. By the time you're watching this video, the results will be different for sure, and it might be another expert advisor on the top. Then with the magic number, you can find it easily in the top 10 robots app and download it as a ready to use robot for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. I'm really happy with the work we've done in the academy to build the app and to have such a huge choice of expert advisors. My team is trading with these EAs. I hope they will be useful to you as well. And if you want to learn how to create your own strategies with EA Studio software, check out this video on my site. Until then guys, I love you, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.